balance pan it, balance pan it. Go down then you come up, bust about dance pan it. Grab on pan it, balance pan it. Whoa, whoa. She said good body but you get me at when you want.
Please, I'm not if they can't see me. Or if they can't see me good or nothing, but please guys just ignore my background. Come on, I'm telling you how. But they record telling you record me and get ready and now I'm so late. But at least I look really cute, so come on if you see I look really cute. But my room really messy, so ignore the room. I never expect to look so cute. But I saved that outfit here for her tonight because tonight I'm supposedly I go out with the girls. I'm gonna go with them for a year, so in my car feelings. And tonight I was supposedly I go out with them. But if I didn't answer this, I look so cute. I wear it tonight, but anyways, my done dress. Guys, this is like a wash and go, but I wash it, plait it, blow dry it for like 10-15 minutes, and then go. If you have a diffuser, you can get a better look. Anyways, Jordan's supposed to reach there, guys. I'm so late. I'm just like leave out. I'm gonna come share them a cute armband I'm gonna buy and my cute anklet. See there. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now because I'm late. I'll talk to you when I get there. I have love. Come back with the here. Need to go to 100 total views to start this video. I upload that video. Guys, did you hear what you said? You say that man have. So recording still? Guys, did you hear Joe say that man? So you know what we have to do? We have a short seat, right? Everybody need to be sitting now. Everybody would have no channel, right? Yeah, so we here again. We want to eat no for the again. Can you call somebody to come? You ready? Yeah. Ready for this? We're no, you're not going to hide. We're going on the ground of the work? No, yeah, bye. Yeah, bye, mama. Yeah, bye. Got it? Alright, Dan, what's the thing we ordered the last time? French toast. French toast and steak and eggs. Steak and eggs, that's what you want? That's what we got the last time. That's what you want again? No, I want the steak. So just cook it with like the bacon and ham. So you want bacon, yeah. So she want ham and eggs and then French toast. Ham and eggs and French toast? That's what you're having? Yeah. That's what you're having. I have that too. Same thing? And mimosa. Scrambled? Yes, thank you. Alright, mimosa, what are you drinking? Just red wine. Pardon? Red wine. Which one would you prefer? Merlot? Merlot. Merlot? Yeah. Guys, I can't believe she Jordan said that man. I can't believe she said that. You said? Can't believe she Jordan said that man. So I'm not going to take those in here. So she won one cake. Food. I got ham. I guess I'm mimosa again like last time. Joe got red wine. I got ham, scrambled eggs, and French toast. Then my syrup is right here, my sauces. And Jordan got the same thing. She always like copy me. It smells great, guys. I really hope you can see me. On the light. No, I need to vlog. They take that chair behind me. Are you too big? Too big. Bring it over there. You gotta do the salt? The salt? Maybe to put some salt on the thing. Can you handle? Let's make a dig and then we'll come back on, right? Oh, and I got lots of loving from 60. 60 wants to be in the vlog? I guess he does. Hold on, let me take him up. Come. Ooh. Here he goes. Hey, Sexy. Hey. And this that? Talk to the vlog, that you must do. Talk to the vlog. That's all I do. Leave me. You know I talk. You just off a right mode. Alright guys. We're gonna relax. Later I'm going out with my friend supposedly. So I'm gonna come on back later when I get him ready, alright? And then we're gonna get that footage and we go later to make up the vlog. So goodbye. Goodbye guys. Anybody miss me? Anybody miss me? Anybody miss me? Let me see guys. What's up? So sorry I've been gone. I'm back. This is episode of my life. And sadly it's January, what now? 27th. So the end of January. But I like my year just to start, right? You get me? So basically January 1st. Happy New Year's again. I'm back again this time guys, more consistently. The other day you know what's happened to me, I tried to record a get ready with me like in 10 minutes. So guys, make it probably I don't know if I can include a clip or a picture of how they look, how awful they come out. Not because look itself, the pictures come out with me like the one I'm gonna take at Snapchat with the filter, but if the one I'm gonna take here, quality and quality of the video. So guys, I know we have to do, but we have to do something for recording quality before we can get so deep into that. But that's it for an update. Not enough much, and I can't see the place behind me. It's a mess, so I'm gonna clean up today. I'm gonna clean for a long while. I'm trying to make clean up today. May wash some things, a few things, not a lot. May cook, not real, just a small meal, probably alone. Or not. Dirty. I'm just going to make food. I'm going to cook fish, so I'm probably just going to my fish. So I'm not going to cook. But I'm going to be happy. I'm going to have a good day. I'm going to comb my hair because tomorrow is work. And that's that. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing, guys. That's all we're doing. Alright, I'm gone. Because I don't know much about blah blah. Super. It's basically night. And I can be, well, maybe I look a bit extra. It's just 5 o'clock. It's not really night. But I'm just cleaning everything I'm going to do. Like myself, I don't clean long time. It never take me more than an hour, but I forget if I come back on. So the baby is kind of done. Well, not really. And at least my aunt knows, so. At least my aunt knows, so. I won't be able to forget the rest of the day. I hope. Oh God. I'm hoping I can actually see me. I need to wash my skin now. My just done bed, guys. I'm gonna have left with my for ring soap uniform. You need for the time. I'm gonna just rinse some uniform. But it will dry. Whew. I need to bathe Papi too. I don't know I'm gonna bathe him. It looks so dirty, guys. That's why I'm gonna show him yet. When in bed, I'm showing you. You know when I miss him, but guys, if you never see him so I'm gonna dog me. But that's it. I'm not gonna chat too much because I know I'm always chatting enough when I have nothing to say. And when I don't have enough time, or if I don't have enough footage. But me just keep the vlog going until I have enough. Alright, I'm not gonna bore now. So, talk later. When I have something to actually talk about. Guys, I'm like at the cemetery. This is random as shit. And this is my uniform and what my figure, you know. But I feel so, I just feel so scared to come here. Besides, I'm gonna find out if I just actually come and get it over with. Because, oh God. This is a very bad idea, but yeah, right, so. Yeah, so. I must remember, guys. The cemetery. Yeah, right, there's some go. Oh God, no make a panic attack. Guys, look at me walk from. I'm there by myself. I'm just walk to remember which time I did come. And yes, I look like it. It's hard to tell the differences because it's just, oh God, I'm feeling nervous. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish. Just want to know which time I did. And because I get a little scared, I want to record it in case someone answer me. But I get emotional now, so I'm still coming back. I can't find grandma. I can't find papa. I can't find nothing. So I'm going to do this thing. I don't know what kind of cemetery this is. God believe me. I gotta be honest. Not down here in a many sense. Yeah, in a many sense. But I better not just burn nobody or cremate them or something. Because in a many sense, I bury them down here. So let me sort everything I say. I hope when I get the part with me, I stand the people in both them grave. I hope that was actually recorded. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I really look forward to seeing my brother today. Because the guy can give up. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna carry along my own stuff. I really want to see my brother today because we just need to talk. I have a lot I just want to talk to him about, and because when I come back from the funeral, so now that he's here in the grave, you know, if you know what I mean, I guess he needs something for you and let me talk. Oh God, I'm really not find him. I'm not going until I find him now. So I don't know what going for me, but guys, I'll be here and see my family. Hey guys, I'm really hoping I can see me and see all of me. Jodian, you know the frame? Yeah. All of me? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm at the beach. Me and Chulo. Come here, puppy, and be daddy. Come here, puppy. Hey, look at him full of sun. Hey, sexy. Hey. Guys, you see I'm full of, why is this zooming in? Why is it? Why it won't work fix? Alright guys, it's zoomed in. I don't know how to zoom it out, but apparently I try to make it easy. I'm sure there where I have a really good time and really get way. It kind of treat me like so me had the overprotective parent and the other day had cool, nice parent. So you sit down on the fair foot and not pay me no mind. But that's alright. We're from our lobster because we order lobster or college lobster. We can show you when we get it. Right, Chulo? Guys, don't hear something funny. I buy one sardine for him, right? Because I'm going to figure say I'm not going to want lobster and it's about seasoning or whatever. So I just buy him one sardine because I think I like that because dogs eat sardine, right? But me not eat sardine. Chulo smell it and him like him want from it. That's how him behave. So I have to have the sardine and other lobster. So I'm going to get lobster too. Alright guys, so when the food come on back. Right? Say bye, Chulo. Say bye bye. Oh, no matter watch all my bar suit tired. I have other bar suit, but I have other bar suit, I have other bathing suits. But the thing is, them kind of revealing and don't really, sorry, and they didn't really like the extraness. So I just did one wear on the one piece. I'm gonna lose a lot of weight, so kind of big, so I'm gonna have tight. So I'm gonna look like a scabby, but don't worry, because nobody really there. It's just we. See? Just a chill. See? We're over here so by ourselves. Just a chill on the sun and a relax. So go swim depending on how the temperature feels. But that's it guys. I'm gonna come back and eat. I'm gonna feel much better when I come on and can talk to everybody, right? Say bye, Papi. Say bye bye, Papi. Papi. I'm so relaxed. Alright guys. Peace. Get it, Papi. Get it. Really? Really, Papi? That's how you do it? Make him rest. Really? No one play with me. The food's so ready. Just a kick. I hope him come. I should dry him up, but this is what him rather do. I mean for one time for himself. I carry me here for him have a family day. Sexy man. He don't love me. Well, you have really bad aim. What's your we're gonna play now finally. Oh, that's me, my fella. Where you going? Sexy man, come. You're gonna get by the things in your fur. Alright, I'm not saying nothing. I'm gone. Oh God, me I forgot to get him. Alright.
I'm sure I listen to the beep. And yeah, that's why I do it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. She don't care. Yeah, so called.
That's me, you guys. And look at Chula do with the sardine.
And
turn over everything and bury it with sand. Look at that.
I'm gonna turn it over.
So that's work. I'm gonna clean up now. You see him spoiled? Me not the frame? Why you touch my lobster?
What is curry lobster?
It's not curry, it's garlic lobster. I'm gonna take curry, I can't eat curry.
You could buy fried lobster.
Why? I don't like too much fried things. Alright guys, make a begin. Super. Guys, me and Papi sit down, I take a break. I'm really hoping I can sit. Joe! I think you say you pack up. Alright guys, me and Chula sit down. Me and try to get the things in more time for her, so we can get ready for leave. Me eat my belly full. I'm telling you what Chula do a while ago. You see me lie down now like innocent? A while ago, a big dog. He's a small dog, right? Well, he's probably big, but you know what I mean. He's small compared to the regular dog them. I want to talk a house dog. I talk a yard outside dog. Mongrel dog, right? I don't mean to call it that, but you know what I mean. Chula see that big dog a while ago and Chula chased the dog all throughout the beach. All throughout the place. Me have to run him down, run behind him and step on him leash. That's how my baby want to bite the dog, he want to war the dog. So at one point the dog turned back, like the dog said, why me run from that small dog here? So the dog turned back and then the dog look on Chula and then him like him think say, the dog get mad. Because him look on Papi for like a good 2 seconds and then say, May I continue run, and him just continue run, and Papi just use that for things say him the baddest dog, so him the advance on the beach like a really bad dog all the way down there. So you want to see him clear the whole space, a bark. Yeah guys, I couldn't get the footage because you know people here with them kids and so me have to run go for him because I must start acting scared and create a big deal or nothing. But that's it. It's evening time now. We're gonna get ready for leave. Papi never eat nothing but the fish. He never liked the lobster, but it was really great. Me like it. And baby daddy, I get the things I'm ready. So I get ready for going now. Alright. I'm ready to come and say bye bye. Say bye bye, Papi. Bye bye.